are leaving Barcelona. We got our backpacks, got our carry-ons, on our way to the Aerobus. It's a 14-minute walk, and a new adventure awaits. Here we go.
Hi, we're Gary and Missy, two full-time travelers exploring the world 1 month at a time. Today we're going to take you with us on the Aerobus, an easy and inexpensive way to get to and from the Barcelona Airport. As we leave our Airbnb for the last time, let's see the easiest way to get to the Aerobus station. It's conveniently located at the Plaza de Catalunya, right beside El Cortez Inglés. From the Gothic quarter, you can ride the metro a couple of stops, walk along Las Ramblas, or do what we did, avoid the crowds and walk the scenic back streets. Don't forget to listen for this video's secret word and put your guess in the comments below. When you arrive, you may see two buses waiting because there are two lines. This is where it gets important. A1 heads to Terminal 1 and A2 goes to Terminal 2. Know your terminal and double check your bus before boarding. Trust me, this matters later. As our bus trip starts, let me show you how easy it is to buy tickets. A quick Google search gets you to the website, which allows you to easily change to whichever language you need. From there, you choose your ticket type, everything from one-way to round trip, and it even allows you to add the Hola Barcelona ticket, which gives you unlimited rides on the metro, buses, and Zone 1 trains. We took a cruise into Barcelona, so only needed a ticket to the airport. You choose the number of tickets you need and click the buy button. The website does act a bit strangely. After clicking buy, you'll get a message saying your cart is empty, but don't believe it. If you look at your little shopping cart icon in the top, you'll see the number of tickets you selected is highlighted. Select it, and you'll be able to proceed. I always select Go to Cart so I can confirm everything is correct. Seeing it's all fine, I proceed to checkout. If you don't have an account with Aerobus, you'll fill out some basic information, decide how you want to pay, and agree to the terms. I'm going to use PayPal. As you can see, PayPal automatically converted it to US dollars. I prefer to have my credit card do the conversion, so I click currency options and change to euros. A simple click of the complete purchase button, and the tickets are mine. Right away, I got an email containing my ticket QR codes. From here, I switched to my cell phone, opened up the email, and took a screenshot of the QR codes so I could add them to my Google Wallet. And that was it. We were ready to travel. Depending on the time of day, buses depart every 5 to 20 minutes, so you'll never have to wait very long. It takes 30 to 35 minutes, but it's an easy trip due to comfortable seats, good air conditioning, and there are even USB ports in the seats should you need to top off your phone's charge. These high-definition screens keep you well informed of the bus's progress. And before you knew it, we were arriving at the airport. And that's when we realized our mistake. Earlier, we had arrived at Plaza Catalunya just as the buses were getting ready to leave. So we hurriedly boarded and wound up getting on the wrong bus. Do not do this. The bus that takes you between terminals is an overcrowded nightmare, and we felt like we'd been put through a blender. It took us over half an hour to transfer terminals. Missing the Aerobus at the beginning would have been way faster and way more comfortable. In conclusion, we found the Aerobus very easy to use. It was a lot more economical than a Bolt or an Uber, and only took about 10 minutes longer. As long as you pay attention to detail, the ride will go very smoothly. If you found this video helpful, we sure would appreciate you hitting that thumbs up like button, and while you're at it, why not subscribe? If you have a little bit more time, check out the videos that are on your screen now, and we'll see you soon.